a bit of gold, but it has a lot of hot rocks. So I'll take a little walk through the hot rocks. I'll show you what I mean. I'm using a Minelab GPX 4500 with a standard 11-inch mono coil. I'll turn the volume up a little bit because I've been using it with the headphones and you wouldn't hear it. Take the target volume up a bit. You'll hear that. Ground balance, and we'll go and see if we can find a hot rock. There are a lot of there's something there. Could be a nugget. But it's not. There's a hot rock. Little ironstone rock. Doesn't attract the magnet. Nothing unusual looking about that one. There's also gold here, so I'm hoping that we're going to find gold instead. There it is. That's not it. Something else in there. Perhaps that one. There it is. Just another rock. We're looking for gold, we're just looking for another metal, so if the rock has a high enough percentage of metal in it, it will send it off. Another hot rock. Okay, a bit much wind today, so I hope it's not making too much noise on the detector. Just a little bit of a demonstration here on different targets and what they sound like on the detector. Doesn't matter what detector you use. We have STC 2300, GPX 4500, the Equinox, and another GPX 4500 with a different coil. But I'll just demonstrate the sound we get off these targets. They're the SDC 2300. When they're on the ground, it'd be a little bit different with the soil around them, but you can't really tell what these targets are. I'll show you the same on a 4500. You may work out what's gold and what's iron and whatever, but I just want you to see the difference here. Now, I will expose what's underneath. You may have already guessed it, but I'll bet you haven't. The first one, a big lump of gold. 118 grams. Number two, also gold, a gold specimen. Number three, nothing, just a hot rock. And I'll demonstrate the difference here. No magnetic attraction, no magnetic attraction. And this fellow, he will pick up on the magnet. Well, pretty much. Okay, next one, 4. Good strong magnetic attraction, no other target. Whoops. Bit much wind. 5. No magnetic attraction and a nice big nugget. 26.5 grams. 6. A piece of aluminium foil. 7. Nothing? Oh, it's a hot rock. 8. Very faint. A piece of rusty steel. 9. Another rock. Just a hot rock. So I hope that's shown you that if you think you can walk down the gold fields, ignore the good signals or ignore the bad ones and pick up the good ones, I challenge you to tell the difference. That's simply a piece of rock, nothing more. A strong ironstone rock, and this is 4.5 grams of gold. What's that one? Oh, that's a nice big nugget as well. So 26.5 grams of gold and a hot rock. I can't tell the difference. And it doesn't make any difference what detector you use. Today I wanted to show you something with ground noise. Something we all face using the detector. Sometimes it's worse than others, but in this sort of case where we're changing from a nicely balanced coil on this ground to something like that. This is just a silt on the side of the water, on the side of the creek. And in some areas it really goes off. Now we can try and balance it. The problem with the ground balance here is, of course, it ground balances in some places and then you come back over to the other ground and sometimes it'll go off on the other ground, but never mind. In this particular case, I managed to ground balance it a bit, but in one spot I still had a sound, just a slight sound, and I thought I'll just dig the top away. I dug the top away and the soil I brought out was a bit noisy as well, so I thought I'll dig a bit further. So I dug a bit deeper until I got down to the can. There's always a beer can in the bottom. Well, in this case, the beer can just happened to be something better. That I haven't cleaned yet, but it sure feels like it's too heavy to be a beer can unless it's full. And that, to be honest, is a bit better than a beer can. So, what do you do with ground noise? You dig it.